Hi, my name is Chris and I'm the economic officer at the German embassy in Islamabad. And on the occasion of 70 years anniversary of our bilateral relations, we are making a video series portraying German companies that are working in Pakistan and to learn a bit more how they are actually contributing to the Pakistani society in the daily life. Today, we are here on the top of one of the major construction projects in the Pakistani capital. The project is called 18, and today I'm here with Shahid Gondal. He's the representative of the German company TKE, former ThyssenKrupp Elevators, and they are providing all the elevators for this massive project. Thanks for having us.
Thank you for coming here. Out of your office in the site?
Out of your office, right in the field, to learn a little bit how you and your colleagues over here are actually working on this massive construction site. We've seen already a little bit. It's a massive area. So how many elevators do you actually provide here?
In the first phase of construction, we are providing like 36 elevators. And in total, I think they need like 230 to 250 elevators.
Well, that's really, it's a huge number of elevators. And I guess it's not just about building the elevators and put them here in the buildings. It's not done with it. I guess there will be some service afterwards. Are you involved with this?
The most important component in the elevator field is not only putting and selling a new elevator, but after sale services. You know, the vertical transport is also very sensitive. So we should make sure the safety of the passengers and the durability of the equipment remains over the year very safe and smooth in operation. It's our major component after sale services and maintaining the equipment we do install.
How many people do you have here working on the site?
At this moment, we will be having like 25 to 30 people. But as the installation will start, we will be having more people because still we are preparing the shafts here.
You know, Pakistan is a growing society, and to my knowledge, the government has put a strong focus on its construction business. Does this affect your business as well? Is it good for you here?
Yes, I think, because the agric land is squeezing. There's a lot of pressure from the growing population. So therefore, as the government timely realized, and everybody realized, that we have to go vertical. And if you go vertical, you need elevators, and most of all, you need reliable elevators. If elevators are not functioning properly or safely, it can harm human life.
So now we are standing here in front of two of the elevator shafts. I've already learned that there are four of these structures in each and every building. How tall is this building? How many levels do you have?
This is 7 plus 1, 8 floors. We had an honor that we installed the elevators in the highest buildings in Pakistan. One is in Karachi called Berry Icon Tower with the very high-speed elevators, 7.6 meter per second. And then in Islamabad, Yufun Tower, Constitution 1 Tower. So the high-rise buildings have also been installed by ThyssenKrupp or now TKE elevator.
Maybe a last word from you. How can people get in touch with you when they are, for example, interested in working with your company?
Of course, gbb.com.pk is our webpage, and all information needed to contact us are there. The elevator technology is not very old in Pakistan. Once you are a trained elevator technician, it's very hard for you or for anybody to remain jobless because there's always shortage of trained people. So many young people will get trained and they become a valuable asset.
Thank you very, very much, Shahid. I guess we've learned a lot about your company and how German elevators are actually contributing to shaping new living space for a growing Pakistani society.
Thank you so much.